Hello and welcome to Northeast Media Hub, the fastest growing digital media platform. I am Albert Khar with the latest Hub news. Be informed, be alert. Here is an important public announcement. Together we can overcome this pandemic by keeping everyone safe against COVID-19. If you have any queries regarding COVID-19, reach out to the state helpline at 14410. Stay home, stay safe, break the chain. Issued in public interest by National Health Mission, Government of Meghalaya. The India Meteorological Department or IMD has informed that the northeastern state of Meghalaya is likely to receive less than normal rainfall in July. The state has so far received 927.2 mm rainfall since the monsoon season began on June 1 and it will continue till September 30. The world's wettest place, Mawson Ram, received 174.2 mm rainfall in the last 24 hours. Bagmara in South Garo Hills also witnessed 81.4 mm rainfall. Meanwhile, Ramkrishna Mission Sohra received 72.6 mm rainfall and Sohra saw 68.2 mm rainfall. The Ministry of Finance has released the fourth monthly installment of the Post-Devolution Revenue Deficit or PDRD grant of Rs 9,871 crore to 17 states. The state recommended for the PDRD grant in the current financial year include Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Uttarakhand and West Bengal. With the latest release of funds under PDRD, the centre has allocated a total of Rs 39,484 crore to eligible states, said the Ministry of Finance on Thursday. Today morning, Dibrugarh police shot at notorious cattle smuggler Muhammad Akhtar Raja Khan, alias Tiklu Khan, while he tried to flee from the police custody. The accused has sustained an injury to his right leg and has been admitted to Assam Medical College and Hospital AMCH for further treatment. Dibrugarh SP Shwetank Mishra said that the police department had taken him to Brahmaputra Chapori for further recovery of cattle. He managed to escape from our custody and we shot at his leg. He sustained an injury on his right leg and was admitted to AMCH for treatment. Moving on, Sivsagar MLA and Raijor Dal President Akhil Gogoi has asked Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma to read and learn more about the Constitution of India. Akhil Gogoi was reacting to Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma's recent comment that the role of an MLA is confined only to framing laws, while it is the duty of the ministers to implement them. Sarma said that as long as he is the Chief Minister of Assam, all the government officers, including the DCs and SPs, will listen to the ministers and not to the MLAs. Reacting to the statement by the Assam Chief Minister, Akhil Gogoi said that CM Sarma should read the Constitution and learn about the role and responsibilities of MLAs and ministers. A day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi reshuffled the Council of Ministers, several new ministers took charge of their assignments from today. The new ministers who took charge on Thursday include Mansukh Mandavia, Health Minister, Ashwini Vaishnav, Railways and IT Minister, Kiren Rijiju, Law Minister, Anurag Thakur, Information and Broadcasting Minister. A total of 43 new members of the Council of Ministers took oath of office on Wednesday. The Council of Ministers now stands at 77, the highest in this government's tenure. In the new Council of Ministers, there are 4 former Chief Ministers, including former Assam CM Sarbananda Sonowal in the Cabinet, 18 former State Ministers, 39 former MLAs and 23 MPs. Sarbananda Sonowal today, after taking charge as the new Union Cabinet Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, met senior officials of the Shipping Ministry and overviewed its operations. Former Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal on Wednesday took oath as Union Minister for the second time in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's cabinet. Sarbananda Sonowal, who served as Minister of State for Sports from 2014-2016 in the first term of Modi ministry, has been allocated the cabinet portfolio of ports, shipping, waterways and Ayush. Nagaland police have arrested a 25-year-old youth in Dimapur for allegedly possessing illegal arms. Police said the youth was arrested with a .22 caliber pistol and 3 live rounds of ammunition from the Padampukhuri area in Dimapur. The police said that during the initial inquiry, the arrested youth revealed that he had borrowed the pistol from another person in order to impress his girlfriend. The arrested man has been identified as Torin Tikhir. Police have registered a case at East Police Station in Dimapur. A court in Mumbai on Wednesday granted anticipatory bail to 3 Republic TV employees in the alleged TRP manipulation. The 3 employees, Shivendu Molherkar, Ranjit Walter and Siva Subramaniam Sundaram, had filed the bail petition before the court in November-December last year. Their counsel Vikram Kamath said. Senior journalist Arnab Goswami is the founder of Republic TV. Additional Sessions Judge A.D. Dio on Wednesday allowed the anticipatory bail applications of the 3 employees, Kamath said. The Supreme Court today adjourned until July 20 its hearing on a petition filed by American e-commerce firm Amazon against Kishore Biyani-promoted Future Group after it was informed about an arbitration proceeding between the 2 companies at the Singapore International Arbitration Centre or SIAC from Monday. The SIAC will hear Amazon's plea over Futures Group Rs 24,713 crore deal with Reliance Industries Limited or RIL. By an interim emergency award on October 25, SIAC restrained RIL and the Future Group from going ahead with the deal. Former Real Madrid and Spain captain who considered one of the best defenders in the world, Sergio Ramos, has left the Real Madrid to sign with Paris Saint-Germain PSG for 2 seasons. Ramos, aged 35, won the Champions League 4 times with Real and is a World Cup winner and a 2-time champion of Europe with Spain. The veteran, who has won 180 caps and scored 23 goals for his country, arrives with PSG desperate to add experience to their squad for another assault on an elusive first Champions League title. Ramos, who cut his teeth with Sevilla before joining Real in 2005, played almost 500 games for Los Blancos, marshalling their defense for 16 seasons and winning La Liga 5 times. Thank you for listening to our podcast. For latest news and updates, follow us on www.hubnetwork.in. Download Hub News app in your mobile from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For promotion and publicity, write to us at info@hubnetwork.in. Thank you. Kublai Shibon, Mithela.